want to give a huge shout out to my boy MTR, man, for putting this on my radar. And I can't remember what this young lady's name is, but man, I am so thankful that we still have women like her out here still fighting a good fight. I listen. I love to see it, and this is coming from a place of peace. You know, she's not being aggressive. She's just being that nice, sweet, kind person that she's probably always been. And listen, you can't go back and forth with your grandma. You just got to, yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, because she right. But anyway, we're gonna let her cook.
This conversation is bigger than one man. It is a warning to all of us. If we silence every uncomfortable voice, we should not be surprised when wisdom feels absent later. If someone is willing to speak honestly without malice, they should not be destroyed.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete...
Wait for it. Not every truth teller is gentle. This conversation is bigger than one man. It is a warning to all of us. If we silence every uncomfortable voice, we should not be surprised when wisdom feels absent later. If someone is willing to speak honestly without malice, they should not be destroyed for it. Not every truth teller is gentle, but that does not make them evil. Sometimes love shows up as correction. I'm not asking you to like this video. I'm asking you to leave a comment. Thoughtful, respectful, honestly. What did Kevin Samuel's message reveal to you about relationships, accountability, our culture, or even yourself? Let's talk without rage, mockery, or dismissal. If you want healthier families, stronger relationships, and a more grounded community, we must learn to honor truth while it is still speaking, and not only after it is gone. We must choose humility over hostility, and we must remember that truth, accountability, and correction are not enemies of love. They are often tools God uses to heal us. Thank you for spending this time with me.
She's good.
This is Family Still Matters. I'm Deborah.
Hi, Deborah.
And as always, family still matters because God is the author of family, order, and truth. Amen. May God richly bless you.
It's also endearing to see so many people giving their opinions up on these internet streets.
Man, amen, amen. Hey, shout out to MTR for that, man. That is dope, man, to hear that type of message, because I think that we have tried every single way that you could possibly name to try to get the message through. And even though I would say that Kevin Samuel's method, I think honestly worked best, because it seemed like it really tipped everything over, and it seemed it had a lot of people enraged, but we also seen a lot of people making some changes. People that were contemplating on leaving their relationships realized that I need to do the work on me, and now both parties were able to grow with each other because of that. And to see and to hear stuff like this, man, it kind of puts me in the mind of my grandma. You know what I mean? My grandma was a little bit more, a little tough or whatever, but when it all boils down to it, this is pretty much the exact same message that I got from her. Listen, it's going to take work. You need to get out there and you need to get it. You got to stop making excuses. I'm talking about for as long as I can remember, I always, heard stories, even seeing her at the age of 60, get out there in the garden working, cutting grass. I'm like, yo, grandma, I'm trying to get out the bed. Wait, what are you doing out there? She got a hat on, out here getting it. It was just so much respect, so much love, man. And I would say that's what we are missing in today's society. We're missing messages like this from the older generation because either one, that unfortunately their platforms aren't big enough, or you got some really disrespectful people that sit here and still turn their nose up, be down in the comments and being real disrespectful when all she's trying to do is just give you a little bit of love and a little bit of guidance, which a lot of them, it shows that they didn't get growing up. And so it's foreign to them. And I don't care what anybody says. As long as I see content like this, I'm going to continue to push it. Continue to push it on every single last platform. This is beautiful, man. This young lady is beautiful. Spreading this type of message. This is honestly what is needed in the year 2026, man. And hopefully people, instead of ignoring messages and people like this, they'll actually start to listen and apply these messages to their life. And hopefully we can start to bring about even more change. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, man? Again, shout out to this young lady. Shout out to MTR for, putting this on his platform, which is, I want to say MTR is like at 900,000 subscribers right now, man. About to cross that 1 mil. Definitely going to do it this year. Keep grinding, bro. Love it, man. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here, man. Until the next time, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.